Already in that speech I have written something. Two numbers are there. For example, that two numbers are x and y. They've given the total of that two number is 20. So x plus y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus x. Second condition they have given, the difference of that square is 240. So x square minus y square is equal to 240. So what is y? 20 minus x, that I have substituted here. Now a minus b all square means a square 2ab b square is equal to 240. It is minus 5, change the sign, change the sign, change the sign. X square minus x square, that is 0. Now this minus comes this side, so it becomes plus. So this becomes 640, 0, 0 cut. So 64 is equal to 4x. So x is equal to 64 divided by 4. So it will be 16 4 is 64. So x is equal to 16. But y is equal to, it is given 20. So the difference, so y is equal to 20 minus x. So 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. So x we got, y we got. So that numbers are 16 and 4. The sum of the side of two square is 80 meter. Also the sum of the area of that two square is 3400. Find the side of each square. Also find the difference between the parameter of the square. This is a big square. This is a small square. Okay. Now let side is equal to x, side is equal to y. Therefore area is equal to x square, area is equal to y square. Condition number 1, let side is equal to x, let side is equal to y. Therefore area is equal to x square, therefore area is equal to y square. Condition 1, sum of two side is 80. Sum of two side is 80. Therefore x plus y is equal to 80. Therefore y is equal to 80 minus x. Condition 2, sum of area, area 1 plus area 2 is equal to 3400 meter square. So area 1 is equal to x square, area 1 is equal to y square is 3400. Now what is y that I will substitute? X square 80 minus x square, correct? So x square, square of first number 8 is the 6400, this into this into this, correct? X square 2x square plus 6400 3400. Now 2x square minus 160x, 6400 minus 3400 is equal to 3000, means 3000. All divide by 2. So x square minus 80x plus now from 150 sorry 1500. So 1500 30 into 50, both are minus minus, so the total is product is 1.500. So these are the factor. So x square minus 50x minus 30x, you can write any one. So x is equal to x minus 50 minus 30, x minus 50, x minus 30, x minus 50. So x minus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 30 or x is equal to 50. So bigger side, we have taken x. Therefore, S1 is equal to 50. S1 is equal to x is equal to 50, for example. And S2 is equal to y, it is 80 minus x. So 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. So side 1 is equal to 50 centimeter. It is given meter square area. Again I am explaining. Both answer are correct. 50 and 30 or 30 and 50. Because here the sum is given, not the difference is given, so we can make out smaller and one. Okay. There are two square. Suppose side 1 is x, side 2 is y. So the area of first is x square, area of second is y square. Sum of two number is 80. So the um, y is equal to 80 minus x. Area, sum of area is equal to 3400. So x square plus y square is equal to 3400. Now y is equal to 80 minus x. Square of first number 2 into a into b, square of last number, then this copy x square 2x square 160 x 6400 minus 3400 is equal to 3000. 3000 means 3000. So divide by 2, you will get this. From 1500 to get the factor as a 8 minus 80 minus 30 minus 50. So from here only x common. From here, that is this is minus plus minus minus plus. So this you can take the common. Then x minus 30, x minus 50, x minus 30 is equal to 0, x minus 50 is equal to 0, x is equal to 30, x is equal to 50. If you will take this, then this answer. If you will take this, so S2 is equal to y is equal to 80 minus y. So S2 is equal to y is equal to 80 minus 30. So S2 is equal to 50, like that. So here you will get S1 is equal to 30 meter, S2 is equal to 50 meter. Both the answers are correct. Now one more question in that same. Find the difference in the parameter. So naturally we have to take this. If side 1 is 50, so parameter of first is equal to 4 into side 1 is equal to 4 into 50, 200 meter. Parameter of second is 4 into side 2, 4 into 30, 120 meter. So difference Parameter 1 minus parameter 2 is equal to 200 minus 120 is equal to 80 meter. If 50 side, 50, 50, 50, 50, 4 times, 200 parameter. If 30 is the side, 30, 30, 30, 30. 120 is a side. Then difference, 200 meter minus 180 meter, it is 200 meter minus 120 meter, it is 80 meter, the difference. Now one more conditional area based question. So you guys also please be ready and have a confidence to give motivation to the next batch, and you do that, you can give good example of motivation. Okay. Fifth first. Tomorrow time will be 11 o'clock, correct? 20 kilometer, 10 kilometer. It is a rectangular field. In that field, there is a square lake. Missing helicopter crash in that field. The probability of crashing of helicopter in the square shaped lake is 1/8. Find the area of the lake. Find the length of the side of the square of the lake. Draw the lake inside the rectangular field and complete the diagram. So suppose here it is the lake square. Correct. So total is available, total area is available. So the area of rectangle filled. So capital length, capital breadth. So for filled, for rectangle filled, length is equal to 20 kilometer, breadth is equal to 10 kilometer. Therefore, area 1 is equal to length into breadth is equal to 20 into 10 is equal to 200 square kilometer. Now, we want the side of lake, that is S, for square lake, that is side, you can say X. So area of lake is equal to S square is equal to X square kilometer. Correct. So this is number of S. This is number of E. Okay. So the probability of E that is given, that is number of E divided by number of S. This answer is given 1/8 is equal to X square divided by 200. So 8x square cross multiply x2 8x square is equal to 200. Therefore, x square is equal to 200 divided by 8. So x square is equal to 25. So x square is equal to 5 square. So x is equal to plus or minus 5. And side can not be negative. Therefore, side is equal to 5 kilometer. At the end, find the length. Again, try to understand. Full available area is rectangle. So the length of rectangle is 20 kilometer. Breadth is 10 kilometer. So 20 into 10, 200 square kilometer is the available area. So that is number of S. From that one part, square part, you have to remove. That is a selective part. So that is a one part of that rectangle. So the for this square leg, side is equal to x kilometer. So the area is equal to side square is equal to x square kilometer. So number of A means from that full choice from full S, we have selected one part, that is number of A, that is x square. But probability of A is number of A divided by number of S. Probability of A is given 1 by 8. Then cross product 8x square is equal to 200. So x square is equal to 200 divided by 8. So x square is equal to 25. And x square is 25 is equal to 5 square. So 5 square. So when you are taking square root, it can be positive, it can be negative. Correct? So side cannot be negative. So side of that square is 5. In any corner you can show, in center also you can show, but the solution will be as it is, this only. Correct? Now we have two activity sheet of algebra from the Navneet we have completed. Now again we'll start geometry. That we will start with the MCQ first question. Question number 1, A MCQ, multiple choice question. First, right side of the X from the origin, right side, minus 20 is this, 0 2 is this, 2 3 is this, 20 is this. So 20 is on right side of the X. 20. That is D, first answer. Side of a cube, that is not there. Arc inscribed, arc is also not there. Sin theta into cosec theta. These all are inverse of each other. So sin theta, cosec is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sin into sin, sin cancel. So 1 into 1, 1. Angle ABC inscribed in ACB. Angle ACB is inscribed in arc ACB with central angle O If ACB is 65, angle is given. Find arc ACB. If this is 65, so this is double. Correct? But we want this arc. So 360 minus 130. 330, again it is D. Second answer. Find the diagonal of a square whose sides is 6. Sorry, 8. It is 8, 8, 8, 8. And it is square. There are two methods to find this diagonal. Diagonal of square is equal to side into root 2. That is, side is 8 root 2. Correct? Centimeter. It is 1 mark question. And this you have to find out hypotenuse. So x square is equal to 8 square plus 8 square. So x square is equal to 64. 64 is equal to 128. So x is equal to 64 into 2. So 64 square root is 8. So this is first method directly by the formula. This is by Pythagoras. You can do it by Pythagoras, you can do it by formula. Tan theta is fine. Find sec. Here also two methods. Tan theta is phi. Sec theta is question. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus pi square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus 25 is equal to sec square theta. So 26 is equal to sec square theta. Correct. So sec theta is equal to under root 26. Correct. These are related to the side. Again, it will not come negative. Correct. Second method, tan theta is equal to 5 by 1. It is opposite by adjacent. This is theta. Opposite pi, adjacent 1. This is x. X square is equal to 1 square plus pi square. X square is equal to 1 plus 25. X square is equal to 26. X is equal to under root 26. And sec theta we want. Sec is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So again 26. This is very important third question, to find a distance of a point from origin. Find distance of a
Sir, 1 minute left.
point from origin is r square is equal to x square plus y square, and that point is -3, 4. So x is equal to -3, y is equal to 4. So r square is equal to 3 square, 4 square, 3 3 is 9, 6 6 4 4 is 16. So distance always positive. This is very good question. This question they will surely ask, only they will change the point. So distance of a point from the origin is x r square is equal to x square plus y square. Point is given, means x is given, y is given, substitute and find out the answer. But that is a square. You have to find out square root. When you are taking square root, you have to mention both the answer, plus and minus. And why you are taking plus, that also you have to mention, because the distance always positive. So that distance is 5 units from the origin. One more question. Base